Till now, we'd done some configuration in the previous session, right? This is the configuration we done. Company code assigned to sales organization. And also we need to set up some sales area. And also we need to assign the sales organization and distribution channel to our supplying and receiving plans. And after that, we need to define metal master data. I mean, we need to create one master data. Note on it. Create a metal master. Create a material and extend to receiving plant. Create a material, supplying plant, okay, and extend to receiving plant, okay, because whenever we send the material from supplying plant to receiving plant, okay, then that material should be available under receiving plant as well, right? That's the reason why we need to extend it to plant. I think we already done that. Let me open SAP and I will show you that how to extend the material. We already created one material. Here, I think I given description as Intra STO. Test Intra STO. See, only we created under supplying plant, but it needs to be available in plant as well, right? So slash and mm01. I can go to mm01 and place the material here. Click on enter. Click on enter again. And here we need to select this data and purchasing, storage location, and accounting. Okay, because basic data one is client, right? Plant to plant, it does not be changed. So that's the reason why I did not select basic data one. Okay, it's a client data, client level data, right? We already discussed about this in metal master data during configuration setup. Continue. So now in under which plant you want to create this material. Let me give the receiving plant now. TPL2 is the receiving plant. And what is the storage location? S21 is the storage location. And remaining things are similar. Same sales organization. And what is the sales organization we defined? I think DLSO. Yeah, Delphi sales organization. What is the distribution channel? D0 is the distribution channel we defined. Continue. Same material, it will be extended on. Okay, click on enter. Click on enter. Here we need to do the availability check as daily requirements and transportation group 0001 and loading group as 0001. Okay, and enter. Will take us to purchasing group data. Purchasing data. And here you need to give the purchasing group. It is our purchasing group DPZ, Delphi purchasing group. Enter. Required and storage location data. And here it is the valuation class 3000, right? It's a raw material. Let's get price of 100 rupees. Oh, nice. So now material master was extended to plant. It was created in supplying plant and it is extended to take a note of it. And we also created one vendor master record, right? What is the vendor master record we created? Okay, we set vendor master record. Also we have some session, right? Delphi manufacturing pattern something. Let me check, is it available? So let me give the purchasing organization. See, Delphi manufacturing plant. Okay, supplying plant we created as a vendor. Okay, what is the number? 7 series 4, right? Let me take this number. Okay, and go to change mode of XK02. I mean vendor master data. Okay, give the purchasing organization and select this purchasing data. Go to purchasing data. Okay, at here we need to assign supplying plant to vendor master data because supplying plant is a vendor, right? So that is the reason why supplying plant needs to be assigned to vendor. Go to extras, go to administration data, add purchasing data. Here we need to assign the supplying plant. Okay, I think I already taken the screenshot of it. So let me assign it here, supplying plant. Okay. Let me take a screenshot for it. The supplying plant needs to be assigned here. Now save. So supplying plant was assigned to vendor. Now this configuration setup was also completed. Now what is the next step? We need to assign the customer to receiving plant because receiving plant is a customer, right? So in order to do that, we need to create a customer first. Okay. For creation of customer, here create customer master. Just like vendor master data, where there's for sales and distribution model, they will be having customer master data. Okay, this activity will be done by ST people, not by us. Okay, XT01 is to create customer. Okay, just like our vendor master data, we have a accounting group, right? Just same as customer master data. Also, we need to select account group here. 0001 is the standard customer master data account group. Let us take this 01 here. See, sold to party. Sold to party. Sold to party is nothing but whom to we are going to sold this material. Okay. In vendor master data, we have a partner functions, right? Like vendor, good supplier, invoice representative. Same similar to customer master data. Also, we have a partner function, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party. These are the partner profiles is available for customer master data as well. Okay. What is the company code? DMOT. And what is the sales organization? TLSO. And distribution channel is D0. And division is D4. L3 division. Now click on enter. Here, what is our receiving plant? Receiving plant name. Let us take address directly. I think Delphi assembling plant, I guess we defined. Let me take this address as a main plant. Same here. Let me give some such term here. Delphi. Let me give the address. Okay, now for go to company code data. Give here reconciliation account and go to sales area data. Here, what are the terms he requires? But not required anything. Go to shipping data. Here we must give the shipping condition here. Okay. Let us give as soon as possible. Just tax related activity. Let's give 0. Okay. Click on save. Okay. We created customer master data. This is the number. 10020 is the number. If you want to take a screenshot, I mean, if you want to display XT03 is the key code to display it. In sales area data, here we must assign the shipping condition. Okay. To the T code to create it. XT0 to create it. And also, let me take a screenshot for display general data as well. Yes. We created one customer master data as well. What is 100? Is the customer. Okay. Now, so we completed the customer master data as well. Now let us go and do the configuration activity. We need to assign it to the receiving plant, right? Go to SPRO, IMG, reference IMG, and go to material management. Materials management, purchasing. Go to purchase order. We're doing stock transport order, right now. So set up stock transport order. We're doing the procedure with stock transport order. Okay. Here we need to go here. Here you can see define shipping data for plants. Execute. take this path first. Take this path. Okay, methods management, purchasing, and next purchase order, next setup, stock transport order, and then you need to go to the define shipping data for plans. Can execute here. Someone has marked it. Oh, user it's our user ID. Let me go and delete the locked entry. Can execute. Here we need to search for our supplying plant and receiving plant as well. Let's go for supplying plant. This is the supplying plant and this is the receiving plant, right? Select it and go to details. It is a supplying plant, right? So here we need to assign sales organization data. DLPO is our sales organization. D0 is our distribution channel. Sorry, DLPO, not DLPO, DLS4, right? DLS4 is the sales org. And D4 is the distribution channel. Enter. So for supplying plant, we need to assign the sales organization data. Is for supplying plant. Okay. Next. For receiving plant, what we assign is we need to assign the customer name. Save it here. Okay. And then go to this receiving plant. See, it's a receiving plant, right? So here you need to assign this customer. Okay. Here's the distribution channel and this. Let me take a screenshot of it. So we assign the customer to the receiving plant. Go back. And also we need to do the another one configuration, because we need to trigger the shipping data, actually, because from supplying plant they will be having some shipping data conditions. Okay, based on that we need the shipping point will be determined for the supplying plant. Okay, because the goods will be supplying from plant, right? So in the warehouse of supplying plant, I mean the inventory storage location had some shipping points, right? At some door or something, at that place they will be going to ship the goods, right? So we need to determine that. That is the reason why we need to determine the shipping point. Okay, so for that purpose we need to do one configuration. Go to logistic execution. Okay, go to logistic execution, go to shipping, and then go to basic shipping functions, and go to shipping point here. Yes, shipping point and goods received, point determination. Here we are having and also one more thing I think we missed. Shipping point creation. Okay, first let us do these conditions. It's a shipping condition, I think loading group. Okay, shipping point, I think we need to define shipping point, right? Okay, close this. Okay, first we need to define shipping points first. Go to enterprise structure. I think we already done that. No, we didn't do the configuration for shipping point. Okay, let us do now. Okay, and then go to definition, go to logistic execution, and then here we can see define copy, check shipping point. Configuration is define shipping points. Okay. What is the configuration path here? Enterprise structure, definition, logistic execution, and then define copy, shipping point. Define shipping point. It's here. Then go for define shipping point. Okay. Here we need to go to the details. You can see the shipping point, some details available here. Let us copy some standard one. Go to details. You can see these are the details available. Let me copy this. Copy as. Okay. I think it is copying directly the country. Do one thing. I already defined one shipping point previously. This is the shipping point. Let me copy this. Okay, we need to assign the country, factory calendar, remaining all as default. Let me take shipping point. Also, I will take the code as plant code. DPL1 is the shipping point. You can give whatever the code you want. I'm giving as DPL1 is the shipping point for supplying plant. Delhi shipping point. Okay, enter. Let me change these details. Delphi shipping. Okay. See, shipping point was defined. Let me take a screenshot of it. Just defining shipping point. Save. So shipping point was defined. Go back. Now we need to assign this shipping point to supplying plant, right? So then we need to do is close this definition and go to assignment, go to logistic execution. And here you can see assign shipping point to the plant. Shipping point now define shipping point. Assign shipping point to supplying plant. Here, what are the steps we follow? Enterprise structure, assignment, logistic execution, assign shipping point to plant. Execute. Okay, let us search for our plant. Control F, and you can find our plant DPL1 Delphi manufacturing plant. Okay, see here Delphi manufacturing plant. Put the cursor here and click on assign, and it will show you the shipping points list. Okay, let us search for our shipping point, right? What is our shipping point? DPL1, right? Let me go for alphabets. Here are our numbers. See here, we have a Delphi shipping point here. Click on copy so that it will be assigned to our plant. For plant, supplying plant, shipping point was assigned now. Let me take a screenshot. We are not assigning it to the receiving plant because we are not shipping from receiving plant, right? We are shipping from supplying plant. So that is the reason why we need to assign shipping point to supplying plant. So now this configuration activity also done. So assign shipping point to supplying plant. Now save it. So shipping point also determined and is assigned to the supplying plant. Now, during the creation of purchase order, this shipping point needs to be determined automatically. So for that purpose, we need to do one configuration. Go to logistic execution now. Okay, see logistic execution, and go to shipping, basic shipping functions, and shipping point and goods is a point determination. That means shipping point determined. Here we need to go to the assign shipping points. Okay. Let me take this. Let's see. Shipping point determination. Okay, see how the shipping point determined automatically means we need to ask what is the combination we assign here. Based on that combination, the shipping point will be determined. Okay, let us take new entries here. What is the shipping condition we assigned in customer master data? See, when you open this customer master data, we see shipping condition was 01, right? So we need to give here 01. And loading group. In metal master data, what is the loading group we define? Couldn't maintain it here. But if you go for metal master data, yeah, same metal number. DPL1, right? See here, what is the loading group we assign for metal master data? 0001. So here we need to give that 0001. And what is the supplying plant for shipping point determination? DPL1. So whenever these three combinations was matched, then the shipping point, what is the shipping point needs to be determined? DPL1. We defined the DPL1 shipping point, right? Enter. Now save. So whenever we create a purchase order, the automatically shipping point will be determined. You can see that during the creation of purchase order. Okay. We define this. One more configuration we left actually. Not here. Okay. Stock transport order. Under stock transport order, we need to do another configuration. Leave it. Sorry, here. Close all this. Go to metals management, purchasing, and purchase order. Set up stock transport order. we define shipping data for plants, right? After that, we need to assign delivery type and checking rule B. Okay. Click on assign delivery type and checking rule B. I will tell you how to do this. Let me take first the path. Let me copy existing path. Checking rule B. Can I execute? Here for stock transport order, we have a document type called UB is the document type. Okay, for regular order, for standard purchase order, we use the document type NB, right? For stock transport order, we have a document type as UB. Okay. And let me take the B, anything available. Yeah, okay. Take existing STO process, you can see already previously defined one B and B. See, this is the configuration we need to do. Let me take this existing one and click on copy. Document type as UB. If you define any customized as from UB to ZUB or YUB or something, you can maintain the document type here. And we need to give the supplying plant. What is our supplying plant? DPL1. And delivery type is NL. Okay. Delivery type is NL. It's a standard delivery type for stock transport order, intra stock transport order, not for intra stock transport order. And checking rule is B, ST delivery. Enter. Okay. This is the configuration we need to give. Okay. We need to maintain like this: document type, supplying plant, delivery type, and checking rule here. Okay. Now let me save this. Guys, could you please rejoin again? I think the session will be ended. Hello.